How to fix Roblox high ping, network lag, and packet lost. The first thing you want to do is go ahead to your Windows firewall. So click on your Windows button right here and type in Windows Defender Firewall. Click on it and then go to Advanced Settings. Okay. And from here, all you have to do is click on Inbound Rules. Then on the right side, below Inbound Rules, click on New Rules. Then once you have this file right here, go to Port, click Next, and then change from TCP to UDP. Now all you have to do is to change or type in 49152 dash 65535 and then hit on Next. Now make sure that this is ticked on allow the connection and then click Next. And then make sure that all of these three options right here are all checked. And then go ahead and Next. And then just name it as Fix Roblox Ping. Then click on Finish. Now once everything is set, let's go ahead and proceed on the second troubleshooting step. A second troubleshooting step is go back to your Windows icon and then type View Network Connections. Click on it and then click on your current network. Go to Properties, then find Internet Protocol version 6, double click, and then from here, all you have to do is click on use the following DNS server addresses. Just simply type in 8888 and then on alternate DNS server, type in 8844. Now, third troubleshooting step is going to be go back to your Windows icon and then type in CMD. Now, what you need to do here is type in IP config space forward slash flush DNS and then hit enter. And then type in net sh winsock reset and then hit enter. Now all you have to do next is just restart your PC and then relaunch the game. So those are the troubleshooting steps on how you can fix Roblox high ping, network lag, and packet loss.